Wait, we learned the French word, guys. We learned it. What is it?
I need to hear it.
Wasn't that it? I don't remember it. I can't remember. Here. What is it?
It's your pimple.
No, it is not.
Yes, it
Eyebrow
is.
pencil. Boom.
Oh.
You don't belong. We're starting? Okay. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing another Halloween look, which is so exciting. I'm so excited. This is my friend Mel.
Hey.
She's going to be modeling for us. She's going to turn into a glamorous pumpkin. So if you want to see how that turns out, keep watching. So to start this tutorial off, we are just going to do our normal thing, like the way we normally would do a tutorial. So we're going to start with our eye primer, which, primer? What am I saying?
Primer?
Our eye primer, and I'm going to be using the Tarte Shape Tape in Light. Is my arm in the way? My arm's in the way. I never sit down and do makeup. This is, to me, a traumatizing stitch.
I like when I get to sit at work because I'm always everywhere, walking, running.
Oh, so you're loving this.
I'm loving this.
Okay, now we're just going to set that with powder. I'm going to use the Beauty Bakery, the flower setting powder. Melanie, tell the people what you do.
I work at Winners. I'm a merchandiser.
And
I
what
buy all their
else?
clothes. It's bad.
She has a clothing addiction as well as I do, which we cannot help. It's a problem.
And then we all like just make each other buy more clothes.
I want to do my Winners versus Sephora video, and I'm very excited for that.
Oh.
We're going to use the Jaclyn Hill Volume 2 palette. We're going to use this orangey color right here called Positivity.
Oh, that's cute.
It's cute, right? We're going to orange up your eyes, girl. Sorry, I'm scratching you. Look at these claws.
They're so long.
I literally cut them today when I did them. We're going to put this into the crease. Look how nice this color is. We want to make this into a nice, pretty, orangey-ish eye. We're going to use this as our transition shade. We want to make sure it's really blended out because we don't want any harsh lines. Next, we're going to use this color here called Feelin' Myself, this orange. Look how pretty. So we're just going to put this below the other color, still in the crease, but just a little lower. We just want to accentuate the eye, and we want to make it like super orange. We want orange, orange, orange everywhere. I love how pigmented these colors are. I feel myself going into a rambling fit today, so I'm sorry for everyone watching this video.
I enjoy it.
Thank you. Much appreciated. Next, I'm going to take a MAC fluffy brush, and we're going to go into the color, oh, this one's called My Man. Look at that. It's like bright orange. I don't know why that constitutes my man, but you do you, girl. And we're going to like really orange this up. We're going to put this all over the lid. We want to have it nice and bright. It's going to look like a little pumpkin. We're going to, what is happening?
The whole video is just gonna be me laughing at you.
Yeah, probably. So, what are you going to do for Halloween? If you have any plans at all because of the restrictions.
Not much. I'm literally working, but I'm kind of excited to actually have somewhere to wear my costume.
What's your costume?
So I'm going to be Esmeralda from The Hunchback.
Ooh, that's exciting.
Yeah, I'm pretty excited.
That's a good costume.
And then I'm literally going to go to my boyfriend's house, watch scary movies, and eat junk food.
What scary movies do you want to watch?
I haven't planned that yet. He's the one who likes scary movies, so he'll probably just pick them.
Oh, that's okay.
I don't like scary movies. I get scared.
Same.
I cover my eyes like half the time
For
I'm
most of
watching
the video,
scary movies. And I'm like, okay, tell me when it's over.
Which is like, why am I watching it then?
I enjoy the non-scary parts.
True. Okay.
They make a good story sometimes.
How often though, if you're being honest? How often? Not often.
Sometimes.
So we're gonna go back into My Man.
My man.
My man. We need friends. And we're just gonna make sure this goes all the way to the lash line. It's making me think of, you know that like 90s song? I feel like an old lady when I sing it.
What song?
Do you know that like old 90s song?
Okay, that's very descriptive.
It's that girl and it has a guy in it too.
That. Well.
You know that song?
Oh,
You know what I'm
yeah.
talking about?
Yeah.
Yeah, that one. So yesterday, just so everyone knows, me and Mel watched Hocus Pocus for like the first time in like a bajillion years.
Yeah.
It was good. But is it a kids movie? That's a debate.
No, there was
That's
like,
a real debate. Like, is that a kids movie?
They hung them.
Yeah, is that a kids movie? I don't think I would watch that as a child. Like, I wouldn't want my kids watching this, I don't think. It was a good movie, though. I liked it personally. I was into it. Next, we're going to go in with some Morphe Jet Black Liner. We're going to make a wing. So now that the wing's done, I brushed her lashes. This would be a point where if you want to put on falsies, actually, you can. She has lash extensions, so we're not going to do that. Now we're going to go back into our Jaclyn Hill palette. We're going to go into this color over here, which is like an iridescent, like, It's like a whitey with like a purpley tinge to it. You know what I'm talking about?
Oh, I see the purple, yeah.
And it's called I'm In It. We're just going to grab a bullet brush like this. We're going to dip into that color. And we're just going to put it in the inner corner here. Look how nice that looks. Like the purpley color is so sick in there. That's bomb. So today, Melanie was going to buy micellar water. Is that what it's called? Micellar? Whatever the heck it's called. However you say it.
I forgot, and instead I bought a snow globe. Yeah. If I
skipped out on my micellar water, I would too. I'm just kidding. Now we're going to take our moisturizer. This is the Ambrosia Flat Creme.
Creme?
Whatever. It's the moisturizer primer. We're going to go with that.
Yeah, this feels really nice.
Does it?
Yeah.
I always feel like I'm being so rough. And then the other day a client goes to me, you know, you're just so gentle. I was like, oh. I feel like I'm like ripping off your face, but okay. So we're going to take the Makeup Forever Ultra HD Foundation in the color Y225. Little down. Put that down.
I look better with my chin up.
That's my model face. Mm-hmm. We're going to take our Shape Tape Concealer in the shade Light Medium Sand. And we are going to apply this under the eyes and some other places. We still have to look pretty even though we're in our pumpkin zone. We're just going to look up for me, please. If you start to water, I'm going to scream at you. So don't do that. Okay?
I won't try my best.
I'm kidding. I don't scream at people.
It's out of my control.
I know. It's not your fault. We're just going to make sure we have a nice bright face. Make sure it's nice and blended out.
Oh, just poke me in the eye.
Sorry. My bad. That didn't happen. I can't do sitting down makeup. Is it weird that this is one of the hardest things I've ever done?
You know what's weird actually? We have a safe at work.
Yeah.
That I open. I was so used to sitting down and opening it. I feel weird opening. I can't open it standing up.
Okay, so it's like you're just used to it.
Yeah. Like there always has to be a chair there for me. Just so I can open it.
Only for you. Everyone else opens it standing up or what?
I don't know actually. I might be the only weird one.
I'm a freaking weirdo. So next we are going to contour the face, but we're going to contour the face with orange, which is fun. Everybody tries to avoid orange, but we're gonna use orange. So we're gonna go back into this palette that everybody's seen for the past like 3 weeks. This dirty caca.
Has a hair on it.
Oh, this gross palette that we've been seeing. It is the RMG Grease palette from Jordane Cosmetics. We're going to use the orange in the palette over here, this like reddy orange color. And we are going to contour with it. So we're going to start by sculpting out the forehead. And we're going to use this MAC 130S brush. And we're going to use that just to contour a little bit because realistically we always use this to contour. Give me fish face, girl. Yeah, it's crazy because we always try to avoid this orange. And today we're going for orange. We want orange.
Orange is acceptable in October.
Only October. Now that we have like a little bit of a base here, I'm going to go back in with our sponge and just make sure it's not sitting on the face weirdly. And we're also going to sculpt out her chin. You have a good chin for sculpting. Is that a weird compliment? Would you find that to be one of the weirdest compliments you ever heard?
Actually, one of the weirdest compliments I ever got was...
Oh, God.
I really like your belly button.
Hold on, somebody said that to you?
Yeah, he couldn't speak English. He's like,
belly
I really
button?
like your, what do you call it in English? And he's like pointing, I'm like, my belly? And he's like, no, the thing in the middle. I'm like, what?
Do they not have
one?
them?
Like, belly button?
Did he not have one?
No, but he didn't speak English, so he didn't know what to call it.
That's a weird compliment. I mean, not a bad one, but like,
hey, I took it.
I would take it too, but like, that's strange on a lot of levels. So now we're going to go back into our Jaclyn Hill palette, and we're going to go back into this powdery orange over here called Feelin' Myself. And we're going to take a bronzer brush. We'll go with this one. A fluffy brush, and we're just going to contour like extra with the powder. We want orange. We want to be a pumpkin. Want to be a cute little pumpkin. We're just going to keep blending that out till you find the amount of like orange you want. So obviously this is a look done however you want it to go. You want lots of orange? Do it. Do whatever makes you happy. Any of these looks are customizable. You can do whatever you want with any of these looks. You can use them as inspiration. You can copy it to be exact, or you can just do whatever you want. You can just look at it, get your own idea from it, do whatever you like. We're going to bring some of that orange on the chin. Now we're going to go back into my man over here. And we're just going to bring out the orange a little bit more. Like we want to like really get the orange like close to the hairline and blend it out from there.
I told my manager, I'm like, if I come into work tomorrow looking a little orange or black, just Just
ignore
let me
me.
be. Just ignore it. Cause
Did you tell her why?
yeah.
You're like, oh, my friend decided she's gonna do a pumpkin look on my face. We're gonna go back into that orange color, feeling myself, and we're gonna go under the eye. Look up though. And we want to really put lots of shadow under the eye. We want it to be really orange.
It's major eye-watering territory.
Okay.
Just saying. This one was like getting there.
No,
No,
I refuse.
Do you have Q-tips on hand just in case?
Yes, no. I say no. Okay, guys, now we're gonna have some real like good times. Maybe not for you, but for me. We're gonna go into this Wolf Face and Art FX Essentials palette. I don't even know where this is from. Why do I have
just
this?
gonna ask you that.
I don't actually know. So we're gonna use an orange in here, and this is like a watercolor that like sticks to the skin type of thing. Okay, so now we're just gonna dip into some water, dip into this like stuff over here with a sponge, and we're just gonna paint her neck. So we're just gonna keep following the same line we made, and we're just gonna keep painting her neck. I'm doing this with my left hand. What? I'm ambidextrous all of a sudden.
I was trying to think of
Okay, maybe we should have tied your hair back. Oh, we can tie your hair back. How about we do that for now? We're just gonna tie it back. Sorry, I'm slicing your neck in half with my claws. For now,
They're
we're
beautiful
gonna just go like that. Thank you, much appreciated. So we're just gonna keep adding some orange till you get to the color you like. So we're just gonna make it a little darker because, you know, why not?
I'm digging it.
Till you have to take it off. Look at your neck. You have a nice neck. You have a good neck for this. Is that weird? I keep giving you weird compliments. Like, if I was a vampire, it would make more sense, right? Call
You're
him
like-
Wardy.
Make me at the burp.
I'll be such a good mom. Burp now! So we're going to take a more concentrated brush, go into the black of the same palette, and we're just going to draw some lines on the neck. So you're just going to make these like nice long strokes. And then you're just, oh, I did that with my left hand, ambidextrous, mother, no, not swearing. We're gonna go into the bottom color here called Temptress, which is just like a black shadow, so you can use any black shadow. And you just kind of wanna blend these little lines out a bit. Like you wanna darken the line, make it thicker, make it a little blended. So basically what this is going to do is add a shadow like the ridges on a pumpkin. You okay?
Yeah, it just
It feels a
funny.
little, if someone was doing this to me, I'd cry.
I don't know how people wear contacts.
Really?
Yeah, I like you know how my eyes water, just like
Oh my god, I can't even imagine you trying to
touching
wear
my
contacts.
eyeball. Like I accidentally touched my dog's eyeball one time. It was just it freaked me out.
How weird is it? I've done that before. I've touched my dog's eyeball on several occasions, and I'm
Yep.
like, this is not okay. Like, I don't appreciate
It makes me
it.
shiver.
Yeah. So now we're going to go into our palette again. We're going to take our orange over here and mix it with our bright orange as well. And we're just going to add some powder to the skin just to set this like watercolor and make the color a little brighter. Look at you, you little pumpkin. We're going to go grab some bronzer. We're going to use the Morphe Glamour Bronze Megastar Bronzer. We're just going to dip a fluffy brush and we're just going to add a little bit of brown to the face just to blend it in pretty. And we're just going to add to the cheeks, and because the rest of the face is a little pale, we're just going to add a little pinch of color to it. Now we're going to take our orange again, the one in the palette, and we're just going to do a little cute nosy. Now we're going to take our peach pencil, so any eyeliner, you just want to start your outline for the mouth. So to do that, we're just going to draw it in the peach liner, and then we're going to go over it with the black. Okay, so hopefully that's going to turn out the way I want it to. If not, well, that happened. Now I'm just going to go back into my grease palette, and I'm going to pick the black, and I'm going to draw it out. You can use eyeliner, you can literally use anything. So I'm going to use a more precise brush, like a little one, just to make sure like the edges are where we want them. We're going to fill in that whole area black. So enjoy.
Here we go.
Here we go. Have fun taking this off. You've got to work tomorrow. And you're going to go right over the lips too. Okay, now this would be the point where you might not want to move, because I don't want to paint your teeth. I feel like that's going to be a bad day. So let me know if you need a break or laugh or anything. Okay. Stop moving! You're going to smudge it. Are you done?
You got me in a mood now.
Stop making her laugh. It's going to smudge all over her face. So now that our mouth is finished, that actually looks kind of cool. I'm going to take our Jaclyn Hill Cosmetics highlighter, and we're going to just highlight the face. This is the color High Volt. Just so everyone knows, this is highly pigmented. I'm going to take some black. I'm going to put it under the eye as well. So we're going to use Makeup Forever Aqua XL pencil in black. I just feel like making like, just putting some glitter. For me, it would just kind of makes me think of like the candle, the light coming out of the eyes. I know it sounds ridiculous, but we're going to do it anyway, guys. And we're using the e.l.f. Cosmetics Copper Liquid Eyeshadow. Actually, you know what would look friggin' bomb on this? ColourPop like glitter. You know what I'm talking about?
Oh, I like their glitter.
So good, right? ColourPop
Pretty.
glitter's bomb. How we feeling so far?
Sad because I have tears.
It looks like light. Put down. So I'm just gonna brush her extensions. You can leave this part out. You brush your brows a little bit. We're gonna fill them in with the Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil. So we're just gonna take the same e.l.f. product we had for the eye, and we're just gonna put a little bit on the neck. So we're just gonna follow the same line here on the black, and we're just gonna lightly go over it with glitter. I'm just gonna add a little bit to make it match the eyes a little bit.
The more glitter, the better.
Who doesn't love glitter? So maybe we'll take a little bit of the black and we're gonna go into the eyebrows just to make it more pumpkin-y. So like, say, for example, like we drew it on. Did you see my werewolf video?
Mm-hmm.
Holy brows.
That's all
Yeah.
I saw in the video.
That was only brows. When I don't wax my eyebrows. That's what I look like.
I wish I was going out somewhere right now. As a
Right?
pumpkin.
Wouldn't that be so cool if you had somewhere to go right now?
Mm-hmm.
So this is the finished look, I would say. I just added a little bit more orange under the eye because I thought it would just make it look even better. How do we feel, Mel?
I'm digging it.
Don't you wish you were going to a
wish
party?
I was going to a party. I'd be
Wouldn't
the
that be
best
so
one
nice?
there.
I agree. So this is the cute little pumpkin. Now to make it even better, we're gonna add a little headpiece that I bought off Amazon for like $1. Now our little costume is all complete. Look how cute that is with the little pumpkins. This is our little pumpkin. This is the finished look. Our glamorous, pretty, beautiful pumpkin. This is our 3rd week of Halloween, guys. We have one more look of Halloween coming next week. If you like this video and you want to see more, please like, subscribe, and comment down below. Check out my Instagram for more looks. As always, guys, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.
I touched my lip.
That's okay.